Well, it's that time of the year. I've decided to take the bike into the garage and strip all the plastic off. And just as I was doing that, I had a good look at the exhaust and noticed that two of the brackets were broken and one is about to go. So at this point in time I have 3 ordered from the internet. I'll show you the 2 that are broken. Now, just completely rotted. And that's the one on the collector pipe. Look at the state of that. My goodness. I don't know what was going to happen if I hadn't seen that. But anyway, I've seen it. I've ordered the 3 new parts and the bike will stay like this till they come. So I started to give her a nice wee clean over. She was very dirty, as you can see. Just looking a wee bit cleaner now. There's one thing there, and I just wonder, could I paint that? That would be nice. Nice and black again. Or would it affect the heating or the cooling of the bike? Anyway, folks, if you have an ST1300, give it a wee check over at the brackets of the exhaust. As I say, mine's 2002, 56,000 miles, and going great, but you don't know what's going on underneath. Give it a real good check.